Problem number 3. So we have the arithmetic sequence where our u sub 8 is the same as s sub 8, and that's equal to 8. Find the value of the first term and the common difference. So what we can do is use the formula for u sub n. So it's going to be u sub n equals u sub 1 plus n minus 1d. And also for s sub n, which is equal to n over 2 u sub 1 plus n minus 1d. Okay, our n is 8, so we have here 8 equals u sub 1. Again, n is 8, so 8 minus 1 is 7, d. So we cannot solve for either u sub 1 and d because we have two unknown variables. So we can find the other equation using the sum. So 8 is equal to 4 times 2 u sub 1 plus 7 d. n minus 1 is 7. We can divide both sides by 4. So we will have here 2 equals, this is 1, times the number inside is 2 u sub 1 plus 7d. So we now have two equations which we can solve simultaneously. So 8 equals u sub 1 plus 7d, and we have 2 equals 2 u sub 1 plus 7d. Okay, simultaneous equation using elimination by subtraction. So we can eliminate 7d by subtraction. 8 minus 2 is 6. U sub 1 minus 2 u sub 1 is negative u sub 1. So 7 minus 7 has been eliminated. It's equal to 0. So negative u sub 1 equals 6. But we are not after negative u sub 1. We would like to have u sub 1. So multiplying both sides by negative 1 gives us u sub 1 equals negative 6. And from here, we can now find our d using the same equation here. So because this one is much simpler. So u sub 8 equals u sub 1 plus 7d. Our u sub 8 is 8. And u sub 1 is negative 6 plus 7d. By transportation or doing your algebra, you can transpose this there. So you have 14 equals 7d. Therefore, our d is, by dividing both sides by 7, is equal to 2.